nyanro yenya new board ye hwe kwan on be fa so abe appoint omo management team na sejo na kokosi kan so mbe hwe agide ana
enra
enka omo yi ho ana
enra
terms and conditions of
enra as part of board enra no omo first major meeting but omo inaugurate omo Monday no omo ye meeting kakra
okay
but enra no now so omo transi ankasa unfortunately me checks actually say the chairman was not in town.
Okay.
Who that is Zuba. Zuba was not in town, but I understand so omo ye meeting, you know. Now as part of the meeting, then run also omo free IMC for no.
Yeah.
Until we are, I'll pick that.
Say John, sa particular kokosi Canada in game. Nenra and then 3 days. Nana mi hu ade many anyom. Tuesday. This guy Prince Yanku minim no. Me personally minim no. But Tuesday no be chrem okay me. No nam ho ofra ko mayor Esro. To be honest, obi yes anyoma say ya, mamu ma emfa no me fori. Assembly ni ye chief executive. Media meka, e told am infa mayor, if you are closer to this guy, distance no. Cause enseme wan we obetimi dey asem kra to so. Cause now it's ya ko luku say as a minti kra na asem no mo mpese ye be dey. Ye be wiem. Minim no, mi hu no, but mi jina ba bi no be frames opo prince nya akọ na ekọ no. Very short kakra kokọ enye ono ase bi on. Minim nchia ne da, but many no several platforms so eti ya be stress asem we meyen many same party same ne wan.
I don't know who say mayor o ma mayor ba no. I say
na say yon obi do din Kejetia ni ke medin akoji sika say. Now sorry no in am officer. Who will be catch us china catch us it's can crebi am dey kwa ni pa beje di. Yes, no mabu am na me because edin say ketua bi o. Say John you maybe na mase ne ye nkan fanya asem. I know what I'm talking about. Ye ne emphasize be asem. Ti ye be sense on distance no. Now say ye nya gas san be ni nam keme no owura me office no owura coordinate there's all person chasing. And I'm you're okay with Sancrofosi kana or Majin Sana. Are we okay? Nana yaji too many. Minim say ye ko 2 yabano. Media officially man notify the presiding member. But see 2 yaba we are minim say presiding member be take the matter on. All the same board no so ba me the letter be sanko. Iti ye be say ye hwena nana say controversy kakra by from the appointment of Menshia there no. As I'm speaking, Menshia sem there. Ya na me pese me kom. Iti yes na na mama hene you know, ya de me ame na so na pija hene na ba. He also you very good. Na pija hene so you very good. It's like almost like na mama hene open nipa oben. Omo mienu ni ya ahemfo, omo nya ahemfo a. Omo titi nipa firi omo nchen no. Konchen obe receive kama bia ati. I'm okay with them, but all the same, yes, was a fat higher, penning for him. My then fast from J. But Nana, board need almost a lot to do. Say, John, almost a lot to do. I'm telling you,
have a lot
and according to the composition, that means now Nana Pijahine is going to be the vice chairman of the friends board. Zuba a chairman and. Say John, Nana Mwama, Nana Apijahine, so me trusting him. Don't even a lawyer or a very straight when it comes to Mra on farm Niagro. Tian and one of the ma I him feel for now and come for them for now. Come be need any information, now be any no information. Nana one and so now be real me kwaka amaze one me real. Then also me farm Nana Minchia Amukum assemblyman Doris. Na enra o friend running registration na kwa o me enko na ayasem ya simple for man o dinam ref ye papa kremoni bi se o se ye ba o match se Opooman wo pese me a whole lot baba meba mati edin mi kanam se me bold im ref nti Doris wo tie mi a
am say Akoma FM ya ma ho asem
na enya agro na wo kwa kan asem we ye de a wo so me enko yi
na onya wa na be kan se be peda
na se wo nko
yi na kan me ka se be ba na se ye ni manimu ya
na enya agro
ye mfa studio ni nyina nko ho And I'm here behind.
Yep, I say money abre. Omafa no work up myself. It's management cancer. Ana papa bi so no for also the Sir John.
Oh sir.
Dem nim say undi. Oh yes, so be share ha no pak. Eh nyagro just on there. Akoma issue bia no so share ha no pak a chia me anza na afro so. On family anti ye chia o mu nyina ne mpani.
Nana ready.
Sir John.
5. Opooman.
Sir John, Mate. Sir John, Wadaroma.